Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Crossfire on your PC or laptop for free. It's quick, it's easy, and I'll even show you a shortcut so you don't waste time on the wrong link. So if you've been wanting to play but don't know where to start, stick around because you'll have it running in just a few minutes. First, open any browser. In the search bar, type Crossfire and hit enter. Now look for the link that says Crossfire Z8 Games. Click that one. And once you're on the site, click the button that says play for free. And then this will take you to the official downloader page. Just click the official downloader button and then the download will start right away. When it's done, open the file and follow the steps on the screen, and that's it. You now have Crossfire on your PC or laptop ready to play for free. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can join the fun too. And hey, drop a comment with your in-game name. Maybe we can play together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.